Hello, this is last part of our polity series. We have covered starting from historical background to schedule and tribal areas. Second part में we covered parliament and state legislature. फर्स्ट पार्ट में फर्स्ट 20 चैप्टर्स हमने कवर किए थे और इस पार्ट में बाकी के चैप्टर्स हैं. मैं चाहूंगा आप ये वीडियो और लक्ष्मीकांत दोनों साथ में ही कवर करें क्योंकि ऑल दिस वीडियोस आर इन टेंडम विद लक्ष्मीकांत. क्रोनोलॉजी सेम है, वर्डिंग सेम है, सो आपको कोई नई चीज़ नहीं लगेगी नोट्स पढ़ने में या वीडियो देखने में. सो आप दोनों साथ में कवर करें. प्रीलिम्स को अब 18 डेज रह गए हैं और मैंने इंश्योर किया है कि आपको ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना हो वीडियोस के लिए. सो जितने कम टाइम में जितना स्पीड में हम कवर कर सकते हैं, हमने 3 पार्ट में पॉलिटी कवर किया है. जितनी याद रखने वाली चीज़ें हैं, जितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमने वो सारी देखी है वर्ड टू वर्ड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. शुरू करते हैं पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी से. पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी इज इलेक्टेड बाय हाउस और नॉमिनेटेड बाय स्पीकर और चेयरमैन हु सबमिट्स इट्स रिपोर्ट टू स्पीकर और चेयरमैन. स्टैंडिंग कमिटीज होती हैं और एड हॉक कमिटीज. स्टैंडिंग कमिटीज की बात करें तो इलेक्शन होता है स्टैंडिंग कमिटीज के मेंबर का थ्रू प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन बाय सिंगल ट्रांसफरेबल वोट एंड मिनिस्टर्स कैन नॉट बी अ मेंबर. स्टैंडिंग कमिटीज आर एडवाइजरी इन नेचर. एड हॉक कमिटीज टेम्पररी पीरियड के लिए होती हैं. एग्जाम्पल इंक्वायरी कमिटी एंड एडवाइजरी कमिटी फॉर बिल्स. फाइनेंशियल कमिटी की बात करें सो आप PEC याद रखें. पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमिटी, एस्टिमेट कमिटी एंड कमिटी ऑन पब्लिक अंडरटेकिंग. पब्लिक अकाउंट कमिटी फॉर 1 ईयर जिसके चेयरमैन होते हैं फ्रॉम ऑपोजिशन हु इज अपॉइंटेड बाय स्पीकर. दे एग्जामिन एनुअल ऑडिट रिपोर्ट ऑफ कैग. सेकंड है एस्टिमेट कमिटी. 30 मेंबर्स होते हैं फ्रॉम लोकसभा ओनली. इट वाज रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ जॉन मथाई. चेयरमैन होते हैं इसके from ruling party and by speaker appoint करते हैं from ruling party. They examine budget and suggest economies. Committee on public undertaking, it was recommendation of Krishna Memon committee जिसके chairman होते हैं by speaker from amongst their member. Standing departmental standing committee total 24 है. 8 है under राज्य सभा and 16 under लोक सभा. रिकमेंडेशन है रूल्स कमिटी ऑफ लोकसभा की. ऑब्जेक्टिव अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव दैट इज काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स पर्टिकुलरली फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स. 31 मेंबर्स होते हैं, 21 फ्रॉम लोकसभा एंड 10 फ्रॉम राज्यसभा, नॉमिनेटेड बाय प्रिसीडिंग ऑफिसर. मेन फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? दे कंसीडर डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट, एग्जामिन बिल, लॉन्ग टर्म पॉलिसी डॉक्यूमेंट. 24 स्टैंडिंग कमिटीज हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. कमिटी टू इंक्वायर, कमिटी ऑफ स्क्रूटनी एंड कंट्रोल, कमिटी रिलेटेड टू डे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, हाउसकीपिंग कमिटी, कंसल्टेटिव कमिटी. बात करते हैं अब पार्लियामेंट्री फोरम की. So it is a platform for members to interact, sensitize members and equip them with latest technology and prepare database. Tenure होता है उनका co-terminus with house membership. Speaker is the ex officio president of all forums except parliamentary forum on population and public health जिसके ex officio president होते हैं राज्यसभा chairman and speaker is the ex officio co-president. Parliamentary forum के members 31, 21 from लोक सभा and 10 from राज्य सभा, nominated by speaker और chairperson. पार्लियामेंट्री फोरम के एग्जांपल पार्लियामेंट्री फोरम ऑन यूथ, पार्लियामेंट्री फोरम ऑन चिल्ड्रन. पार्लियामेंट्री ग्रुप की बात करें तो इट इज ओपन टू ऑल मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. एक्स ऑफिशियो प्रेसिडेंट इज स्पीकर एंड को प्रेसिडेंट है डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा एंड डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा. पार्लियामेंट्री ग्रुप एक्ट एज अ लिंक बिटवीन पार्लियामेंटेरियंस ऑफ वर्ल्ड थ्रू एक्सचेंज ऑफ डेलीगेशंस, डॉक्यूमेंट थ्रू इंडियन पार्लियामेंट्री ग्रुप IPU एंड CPA. CPA Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, association of 17,000 Commonwealth parliamentarians, promote advantages of parliamentary democracy. Indian Parliamentary Union IPU is an international organization of parliaments. There are 153 participants and aim is peace, cooperation and establishment of representative institution. बात करें सुप्रीम कोर्ट की, established on January 28, 1950. Articles from 124 to 147, Part 5. Supreme Court consists of CJI and 33 other judges, so total 34, appointed by President. CJI की बात करें तो CJI Chief Justice of India is appointed by President after consulting judges of Supreme Court and High Court, and other judges are appointed by President after consulting CJI and judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Other judges की qualification की बात करें so he or she should be judge of High Court for 5 years, advocate of High Court for 10 years or a distinguished jurist. And while appointment of other judges, the CJI has to consult a collegium of 4 senior most judges of Supreme Court according to third judge case. Tenure is not fixed, no minimum age is mentioned. Maximum age is still 65 years and resignation to president. Removal की बात करें सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस की, so ground mentioned है misbehavior and incapacity by president on recommendation of parliament, supported by 2/3 special majority by each house of parliament, लोक सभा and राज्य सभा. तो देखते हैं रिमूवल. सो मोशन शुड बी पास्ड बाय 100 members from Lok Sabha and 50 from Rajya Sabha. It is presented to speaker or chairperson. 3-member committee to investigate जिसके members होते हैं Chief Justice of High Court, CJI और Supreme Court judge and a distinguished jurist. It must be passed by 2/3 majority. Then President gives order for the removal. एक्टिंग चीफ जस्टिस की बात करें, सो अपॉइंटेड बाय प्रेसिडेंट व्हेन ऑफिस इज वेकेंट, एब्सेंट और अनेबल टू परफॉर्म ड्यूटी from Supreme Court judge. Ad hoc judges की बात करें, so appointed by Chief Justice of India due to lack of quorum for session from High Court judge as ad hoc judge of Supreme Court after consulting CJI of High Court and President's prior permission is required for the same. Retired judge की बात करें, so appointed by Chief Justice of India with President's prior recommendation. Allowances for retired judge is fixed by President. Independence की बात करें, so fixed service condition by Parliament. Jurisdiction can't be curtailed, though Parliament can extend it. No practice after retirement. Independence की बात करें, so guarantor of fundamental right, guardian of constitution. It is federal like America. Highest court of appeal है like Britain. Security of tenure, that is they can only be removed by president. Jurisdiction and power की बात करें, so आप रवा पोको याद रखें, RAWAPOCO. First है original jurisdiction, that is exclusive, and original, that is Supreme Court can hear cases on the first instance. Original jurisdiction does not extend to interstate water dispute out of treaty, dispute that is of commercial nature is referred by Finance Commission. So second है appellate jurisdiction. So Supreme Court hear appeals of lower court of constitutional matters, Article 132, question of law that requires interpretation of constitution. Civil matters, Article 133, that is law of general importance. Criminal, 144, High Court when pass death sentence or 10 years imprisonment, appeal by special leave grants in his discretion. Advisory, Article 143, President seek opinion of Supreme Court on question of law of public importance, dispute pre-constitutional treaties agreement. In second case, that is dispute out of pre-constitutional treaty or agreement, Supreme Court must reply. First case में, that is question of law of public importance के case में, the Supreme Court has discretionary power, but in second case, that is dispute out of pre-constitutional treaty or agreement, Supreme Court must reply. Court of record for perpetual memory, it cannot be questioned. Court of record cannot be questioned. Recognized as legal proceedings and legal reference. Punishment for court of contempt, for civil contempt, willful disobedience, and for criminal interference with due course and in the act that lowers the authority of court. Fifth, power of judicial review. It examines constitutionality of both center and state. Sixth, constitutional interpretation. Seventh, it issues writ enforcing fundamental right of aggrieved person. Only original, not exclusive. Not exclusive because High Court can also issue writs. Issue for enforcement for fundamental rights only. Eighth, other powers, dispute out of election of president and vice president, inquiries into conduct and businesses of UPSC on references by president, and advice so given is binding. Self-correcting nature है, law binding on all courts, powers of judicial superintendence. सुप्रीम कोर्ट एडवोकेट्स की बात करें, सो सीनियर एडवोकेट्स डेजिग्नेटेड बाय हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट, एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड एंटाइटल्ड टू फाइल एनी डॉक्यूमेंट बिफोर सुप्रीम कोर्ट. अदर एडवोकेट्स एनरोल्ड इन बार काउंसिल कैन अपीयर एंड आर्ग्यू बट कैन नॉट फाइल एनी डॉक्यूमेंट. जुडिशियल रिव्यू की बात करें, जुडिशियल रिव्यू टू एग्जामिन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी. Constitution confers this power to Supreme Court and High Court. Basic structure and judicial review is nowhere used in the Constitution. Articles that confer power or judicial review to Supreme Court and High Court, Article 13, Article 32, Article 131 से Article 134 तक, Article 143 that President to seek opinion of Supreme Court, Article 226 High Court to issue writs. Importance क्या है? Protection of fundamental rights, supremacy of Constitution, and to maintain federal equilibrium. Muhammad Qadri classified judicial review into judicial review of Constitutional Amendment Act, judicial review of Parliament and State Legislature, judicial review of administrative action. Scope क्या है? Scope is narrower than USA because USA follows due process and declares law unlawful on both substantial ground and procedural ground. USA declare law unlawful on both substantial ground, that is being unlawful, and procedural ground, that is being unreasonable. In India, we follow procedure established by law, and SC only examines substantial ground, that is being unlawful but not procedural ground. Article 31B saves acts under Schedule 9 from being challenged. First Constitutional Amendment Act of 1951. IR Coelho case 2007. It says there's no blanket immunity on laws that are under Schedule 9. Laws placed after 24th April 1973 are open to challenge if they violate fundamental rights. Article 14, 15, 19, 21. Judicial activism. Judicial activism, जिसका foundation was laid by Desai, Bhagwati, Iyer, Reddy, D.A. Desai, P.N. Bhagwati, Krishna Iyer, and Chinnappa Reddy. Judicial activism is assertive role played by Supreme Court to force other two organs, legislative and executive, to discharge constitutional duties. Judicial enthusiasm. Judges participate in social reforms with changing times. Legislative vacuum. Areas not legislated upon that are grey area. Judiciary का role comes into play. एक्टिवेटर्स कौन कौन है जुडिशियल एक्टिविज्म के? सो एक्टिविस्ट, सिविल राइट एक्टिविस्ट, पीपल राइट एक्टिविस्ट, पॉवर्टी राइट एक्टिविस्ट, PIL. Judicial activism also gave rise to PIL. आप याद रखें. PIL is welfare of disadvantage. USA में 1960 में आया और इंडिया में 1980. Pioneers हैं अयंगर एंड भगवती. It provides legal representation. PIL helps vindicate rule of law, helps access to justice, and fully realize fundamental rights. When a public-spirited person files a PIL on behalf of poor, helpless, who is unable to knock the door of courts, relaxing the traditional rule of locus standi. गवर्नर की बात करें, सो गवर्नर इज नॉमिनल हेड, de jure constitutional head of state, representative of center, mentioned in part 4 from article 153 to article 167, state executive. 7th constitutional amendment act of 1956, same governor for two or more states. Governor is appointed by president by warrant under his hand and seal, not direct nor indirect election, and while appointing, the president should consult chief minister of state of the concerned state. Governor का transfer is done by president. रेजिग्नेशन ही सबमिट्स टू प्रेसिडेंट. डेथ के केस में चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ स्टेट फॉर टेम्पररी पीरियड. टेन्योर होता है गवर्नर का 5 years अंडर प्लेजर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. कुछ इम्यूनिटीज हैं जैसे 2 months प्रायर नोटिस फॉर सिविल प्रोसीडिंग्स. क्वालिफिकेशन है 35 years ऑफ एज एंड शुड बी एन आउटसाइडर. Allowances and privileges are fixed by Parliament. Same governor for 2 or more states के केस में allowances and privileges are fixed by President. Oath दिलाता है CJ of High Court, Chief Justice of High Court, और in case he is absent, Senior Most Judge of High Court. Article 154 says executive power of state vests in governor. Article 163 Council of Ministers to advise governor. Article 164 collective responsibility. गवर्नर के पावर की बात करें, सो एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर अपॉइंट्स चीफ मिनिस्टर्स एंड ट्राइबल वेलफेयर मिनिस्टर्स, अपॉइंट अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ स्टेट, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ स्टेट जिसका रिमूवल सेम है हाई कोर्ट के जज की बराबर, अपॉइंट मेंबर्स एंड चेयरमैन ऑफ SPSC जिसका रिमूवल इज डन बाय प्रेसिडेंट, रिकमेंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इमरजेंसी. लेजिस्लेटिव की बात करें तो समन एंड प्रोरोग. State legislature nominates 1 by 6 members to state legislative council on the basis of literature, art, social sciences, etc. Question of disqualification of member of state legislature after consulting election commissioner. He decides on the question of disqualification of member of state legislature after consulting election commissioner. Reserve bill for president when ultra vires against larger interest or endangers the position of state high court or compulsory acquisition of property के केस में. Ordinance जिसका maximum life होता है 6 months or 6 weeks. फाइनेंशियल पावर्स की बात करें, सो गवर्नर लेज डाउन द बजट बिफोर द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. प्रायर रिकमेंडेशन फॉर मनी बिल इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम गवर्नर. गवर्नर्स अप्रूवल फॉर डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स, एडवांसमेंट आउट ऑफ कंटिजेंसी फंड ऑफ स्टेट. ही कंस्टिट्यूट्स फाइनेंस कमीशन एवरी 5 years. जुडिशियल पावर्स की बात करें, सो कंसल्टेड ड्यूरिंग अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जज, ट्रांसफर एंड प्रमोशन ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज, अपॉइंट पर्सन टू जुडिशियल सर्विस आफ्टर कंसल्टिंग स्टेट हाई कोर्ट एंड SPSC स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन. सिचुएशनल डिस्क्रिशन की बात करें, सो अपॉइंट चीफ मिनिस्टर व्हेन डेथ और नो मेजॉरिटी, dismiss council of ministers when there is no majority, dismissal of state legislative assembly when lost confidence. कुछ गवर्नर की पावर हैं which are different from president, so possibility of discretion is granted to governor but not to president. Council of ministers की advice binding on president according to 42nd constitutional amendment act, but there is no such provision for governor. Constitutional discretion जैसे he can reserve money bill for president assent, recommend imposition of president rule, determine amount payable to northeastern states ATMM, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur. Cannot issue ordinances without consent of president when require previous permission of president or reserve the same for president. Chief minister की बात करें, so he is the it should not exceed 15% of total strength of legislative assembly including chief minister, and it should not be less than 12 according to 91st constitutional amendment act of 2003. Real executive or de facto अपॉइंटेड बाय गवर्नर, आर्टिकल 164 अंडर प्लेजर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. ओथ दिलाता है गवर्नर और सैलरी एंड अलाउंसेस आर फिक्स्ड बाय स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. He allocates and reshuffles portfolios, asks ministers to resign or advise governor to dismiss them. His resignation brings collapse of Council of Ministers. He recommends dissolution of Legislative Assembly to governor, advise governor for summoning and prorogue of session. He is chairman of State Planning Board. बात करें जोनल काउंसिल की, सो ही इज वाइस चेयरपर्सन, वाइस चेयरमैन बाय रोटेशन, जिसके होम मिनिस्टर चेयरमैन होते हैं. क्राइसिस मैनेजर इन चीफ. स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स की बात करें, सो ओथ इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय गवर्नर. स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स के हेड होते हैं चीफ मिनिस्टर. सैलरीज एंड अलाउंसेस आर फिक्स्ड बाय स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. Satisfaction of governor is actually the satisfaction of council of ministers. Size of council of ministers is determined by chief minister. Collective responsibility की बात करें, so cabinet binds decision of all ministers. Individual responsibility, they hold office under pleasure of president. No confidence motion by state legislative assembly, all ministers should resign. Council of ministers can advise governor to dissolve legislative assembly. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स की बात करें, सो डिसाइड पॉलिसी. न्यूक्लियस ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स, चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड चीफ क्राइसिस मैनेजर. चीफ मिनिस्टर, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट की बात करें, सो इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज और अटैच्ड टू कैबिनेट. डेप्यूटी मिनिस्टर्स आर यूजुअली अटैच्ड टू कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स. कैबिनेट कमिटीज बाय चीफ मिनिस्टर. स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर और चैप्टर पार्लियामेंट हमने इस सीरीज के पार्ट 2 में कवर किया था. शुरू करते हैं हाई कोर्ट से. हाई कोर्ट आता है अंडर पार्ट 6 फ्रॉम आर्टिकल 214 टू 231. 2019 में देयर वर 25 हाई कोर्ट्स और आज भी उतने ही हैं. 7th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट ऑफ 1956 पार्लियामेंट टू एस्टैब्लिश कॉमन हाई कोर्ट फॉर 2 और मोर स्टेट्स. क्वालिफिकेशन की बात करें हाई कोर्ट के जजेस की, सो एडवोकेट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट फॉर 10 years शुड हेल्ड पोस्ट ऑफ जुडिशियल ऑफिसर फॉर 10 years. नो मिनिमम एज इज प्रोवाइडेड. स्ट्रेंथ की बात करें, सो इट इज डिटरमाइंड बाय प्रेसिडेंट. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ स्टेट is appointed by President after consulting Chief Justice of India and Governor. Other judges are appointed by President after consulting Chief Justice of High Court. According to third judge case, Chief Justice has to consult 2 senior judges of High Court. High Court के जजेस को oath administer कराता है गवर्नर. Salary is determined by Parliament. Tenure is not fixed till they attain the age of 62 years. Removal, order of President. Judge Inquiry Act 1968 regulates impeachment of High Court judge. Removal के लिए motion is signed by 100 members from Lok Sabha and 50 from Rajya Sabha, given to Speaker or Chairman. He approves it or rejects it, and constitute 3-member committee consisting of Chief Justice or Supreme Court judge, Chief Justice of High Court, or a distinguished jurist. If found guilty, it is passed by special majority of 2/3 of the House, and then it is presented to President. Acting Chief Justice is appointed by President. Additional judge is appointed by President for maximum 2 years when increase in business or arrears of work. Retired judge is appointed by Chief Justice of High Court. Chief Justice of High Court can request him to act as High Court judge with prior permission of President, and allowances are fixed by President. High Court के judges के transfer की बात करें, so they are transferred by President after consulting Chief Justice of India. The one who got transferred can only challenge, and it is under judicial review. Independence of High Court की बात करें, so judges are appointed by President after consulting judiciary itself. Tenure की बात करें, so they can only be removed by President. Service condition is fixed by Parliament. Expenses are charged on consolidated fund of state, and their pension is charged on consolidated fund of India. Expenses are charged on consolidated fund of state, and their pension, the pension of judges, charged on consolidated fund of India. Freedom to appoint its staff. Jurisdiction cannot be curtailed by Parliament, though they can extend it. Jurisdiction and power की बात करें, so according to Constitution, High Court has jurisdiction over revenue matters also. Their power is governed by constitutional provisions, IPC, CRPC, letters patent, Act of Parliament and State Legislature. Jurisdiction की बात करें, so original jurisdiction. Here dispute in first instance, writ. High Court can issue writ for fundamental rights and also for ordinary legal right. So therefore it is wider than Supreme Court का writ jurisdiction, and it is also the basic feature. Writ is a basic feature. Appellate jurisdiction की बात करें, so appeal against judgment of subordinate court. High Court here appeals against judgment of subordinate court, both civil and criminal matters. Civil के केस में first appeal can be for question of law or fact, second appeal for law only. Criminal केस में, criminal matters के केस में जो भी sentence या punishment subordinate court देगा between 1 to 7 years sentence and or death sentence, so it must be confirmed by High Court with or without appeal. Supervisory jurisdiction की बात करें, so it has superintendence over lower courts. Control over subordinate court. High Court is consulted by President while appointing or transfer. Court of record for perpetual memory and testimony. Power of judicial review, Article 13 and Article 226 to examine constitutionality of any law passed by legislature. Power of judicial review was restored to High Court by 43rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Tribunals की बात करें, so tribunals comes under Part 14A by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Article 323A, according to Article 323A, Parliament to take out dispute relative to service matters and place it before administrative tribunal from civil and high court. Article 323B says, tribunal for other matters, Parliament or state legislature can establish tribunal adjudicating disputes with respect to taxation, foodstuff, import or export, urban population, land reform. Hierarchy of tribunals can be established. Under Article 323B, hierarchy of tribunals can be established. Administrative Tribunal Act 1985, central government to establish CAT, CAT and SAT for inexpensive justice to public servant. CAT, Central Administrative Tribunal, जिसके चेयरमैन सेंट्रल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्राइब्यूनल, कॉम्पोजिशन होगा चेयरमैन प्लस 65 members, appointed by president on the recommendation of high powered selection committee which is chaired by Supreme Court judge who is nominated by Chief Justice of India. Tenure होगा 5 years, 65 years for chairman and 62 years for other members. CAT, Central Administrative Tribunal, exercises original jurisdiction. Principle of natural justice is followed. Appeal against CAT to Supreme Court or High Court. Defense forces, Supreme Court and parliamentary staff are not included under CAT, Central Administrative Tribunal. SAT की बात करें, on request of state, अभी तक के 9 states में SAT establish हुआ है for state government employees appointed by president after consulting governor. Joint Administrative Tribunal for more states by president. Subordinate court की बात करें, Part 6, district judge is appointed by governor after consulting High Court. Qualification होगा not in service, advocate or pleader for 7 years, recommended by High Court. Appointment of other judges by governor after consulting High Court and SPSC, State Public Service Commission. District judge, when deals with civil side, act as district judge, criminal side as sessions judge. Criminal side for capital punishment passed, it should be confirmed by High Court. Civil side को देखें, so subordinate judges court for all pecuniary civil suit, munsif's court for small pecuniary cases. Criminal side, Chief Judicial Magistrate Court, 7 years imprisonment, Judicial Magistrate Court, 3 years imprisonment. NALSA, National Legal Service Authority, by Legal Service Authority Act 1987, ensuring justice for all. Article 39A, जो कहता है free legal aid to poor and weaker section. Every state should have legal service authority and every high court should have high court legal service authority. Free legal service includes court fee, process fee, lawyer's fee, women, child, victims of trafficking and mass disaster, person in custody. They are all included under free legal service. लोक अदालत की बात करें, so it has given statutory status under Legal Service Act 1987. It is also called People's Court. Pending cases or cases that are at pre-litigation stage are compromised in amicable manner. Lok Adalat only deals with compoundable offences that are non-serious. Lok Adalat is a component of ADR, Alternate Dispute Resolution. It consists of chairman, who is a judicial officer, lawyer, advocate, and social worker. Chairman, lawyer, and a social worker. Settle dispute through negotiation, conciliation, and human approach. Informal, it takes less time, free है, speedy है. It has power of civil court under Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Its decision is final and binding. Permanent Lok Adalat की बात करें, so it was established first in Gujarat to reduce workload of High Court cases with respect to public utility services. Chairman, district judge or additional judge, person with adequate knowledge and experience in public utility. So 1+2, chairman and person with adequate knowledge and a person with experience in public utility. Family court की बात करें, so it is established by state government after consulting High Court. Under Family Court Act 1984, it is compulsory for the state with population of 1 million plus. It exclusively provides for matrimonial relief, custody, legitimacy or guardianship, association of social welfare agency during conciliation stage. ग्राम न्यायालय की बात करें, so at headquarters of intermediate panchayat, at grassroots level, ग्राम न्यायालय at grassroots level, justice at doorstep. Under Gram Nyayalaya Act 2008, it was also a recommendation of Law Commission. It acts on the principle of natural justice and conciliation to be the method of resolving the dispute. Gram Nyayalaya should be court of judicial magistrate which is presided by Nyadhikari who is appointed by state government. Gram Nyayalaya shall be a mobile court. आप याद रखें, it shall be a mobile court, both criminal and civil court. A special provision for some states, Article 371 to 371J, Part 21, for backward region of state and to protect interest of tribal people. Under 98th Constitutional Amendment Act 2012, special provision for some states to accelerate development of backward region and inclusive growth, mechanism for equitable allocation and enhance human resource and employment. बात करते हैं पंचायती राज की, सो ग्रासरूट डेमोक्रेसी. It comes under 11th Schedule, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992, Part 9. It covers from Article 243 to 243O. It comes under justiciable part. State have constitutional obligation to establish Panchayati Raj. It gives practical shape to Article 40 of DPSP to organize village panchayat. आप बैग ऑफ लिeutenant गवर्नर याद रखें, बैग ऑफ LTG फॉर इवोल्यूशन. बी से बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी, अशोक मेहता कमेटी, GVK राव कमेटी, LM सांघवी, थंगून कमेटी, गाडगिल कमेटी. आप इसका अच्छे से क्रोनोलॉजी ही याद रखें, उतना इनफ होगा. बैग ऑफ लिeutenant गवर्नर. नरसिम्हा राव गवर्नमेंट 1991 पास 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1992. रूरल लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट की बात करें, सो ग्राम सभा इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ पंचायती राज. विलेज असेंबली कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल रजिस्टर्ड वोटर्स. एग्जेम्प्टेड एरिया है फिफ्थ शेड्यूल एरिया इज एग्जेम्प्टेड एरिया, दो पार्लियामेंट में एक्सटेंड थ्रू पेसा एक्ट 1966. रूरल लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट में 3 टायर्स होते हैं, पंचायत, इंटरमीडिएट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट. इंटरमीडिएट वहां कंस्टिट्यूट होगा जहां की पॉपुलेशन 20 लाख प्लस होगी. 20 लाख प्लस पॉपुलेशन में होगा इंटरमीडिएट. सो मेंबर्स की बात करें, सो मेंबर्स आर डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड. विलेज लेवल चेयरपर्सन स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर डिसाइड, और चेयरपर्सन ऑफ इंटर और डिस्ट्रिक्ट के केस में इनडायरेक्टली अमंगस्ट देमसेल्व्स. मिनिमम एज फॉर इलेक्शन है 21 और ड्यूरेशन है 5 years. पंचायत कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड आफ्टर प्री मैच्योर डिसोल्यूशन डजंट एंजॉय फुल टर्म. डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर डिटरमाइंस. फाइनेंस फॉर पंचायती राज ग्रांट्स फ्रॉम यूनियन गवर्नमेंट on the recommendation of Finance Commission under Article 280, dissolution from State Government, State Finance Commission under Article 243, grants from State, program specific allocations, internal resource generation, tax and non-tax. Gram Sabha के केस में it is in a better position, has tax domain of own, but other two cases में intermediate and district के केस में it depends upon tolls and fees and non-tax revenue. So condition उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. रिजर्वेशन की बात करें, so ST, SC और वुमेन का 1/3 रिजर्वेशन होता है. State legislature may extend it for OBC. State may devolve power, function, Finance Commission by government, review Panchayati Raj institutions, barred to interference by court in election, audit of account state legislature and for duties president determine करता है. So हमने देखा रूरल लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट. म्युनिसिपैलिटीज की बात करें, so it comes under 12th schedule, Article 243P to Article 243ZG. पंचायती राज 243 to 243O. 74th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 Part 9A. Municipality at central level, Home Ministry for duties, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Defence for Cantonment Board. Evolution की बात करें म्युनिसिपैलिटी की, तो 1688 में फर्स्ट म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन एट मद्रास वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड. 1882 लॉर्ड रिपन रिजोल्यूशन, मैग्ना कार्टा ऑफ लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, हु लॉर्ड रिपन इज आल्सो फादर ऑफ लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट. 1919 Act में it was under transferred subject. 1935 Act it came under provincial subject. 1991 PV Narasimha government passed 74th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. All members here are elected directly from wards. Wards are constituted in an area with population 3 lakh or more. Reservation की बात करें, so ST, SC and 1/3 for women. State may extend it for backward classes and state may recommend office of chairman. ड्यूरेशन की बात करें, so 5 years, 21 years is the minimum age for election. If dissolution happens and remainder period is less than 60 days, no fresh election. And when constituted upon dissolution, they doesn't enjoy full term. District Planning Commission, 4/5 members elected by elected members of district panchayat and municipality amongst themselves. Representation in proportion to ratio between rural and urban population of district. Metropolitan Planning Commission, 2/3 members elected from municipality and chairperson of panchayat. Representation is in proportion to ratio between municipality and panchayat. Types of urban government. So आप याद रखें, municipal corporation, municipality, notified area committee, town area committee, cantonment board, township, port trust, special purpose agency. So कुछ important है. Municipal corporation is to administer big cities, जिसके काउंसिल के हेड होते हैं मेयर. म्युनिसिपैलिटी इज हेडेड बाय प्रेसिडेंट और चेयरमैन. चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर इज अपॉइंटेड बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. नोटिफाइड एरिया कमेटी की बात करें, सो इट इज एन एंटायरली नॉमिनेटेड बॉडी बाय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. टाउन एरिया कमेटी इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय सेपरेट एक्ट ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. इट परफॉर्म सिविल फंक्शंस ओनली. कंटोनमेंट बोर्ड की बात करें, सो एक्स ऑफिशियो प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं मिलिट्री ऑफिसर. वैसे ही टाउनशिप की बात करें, सो इट हैज नो इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स. It is established by large public enterprises. Port trust की बात करें, so it is established by Act of Parliament. इट परफॉर्म सिविक फंक्शंस। स्पेशल पर्पस एजेंसी होती हैं जो सिर्फ स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन के लिए आती हैं। इट इज़ नॉट एरिया बेस्ड। एग्जाम्पल है पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड। रेवेन्यू की बात करें, इट अर्न्स रेवेन्यू बाय टैक्सिंग प्रॉपर्टी, वाटर, लाइट। नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यू जैसे रेंट, रॉयल्टी, फीस, सैनिटेशन, ग्रांट्स बाय सेंटर और स्टेट, डिवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, loans from state government and financial institution. For taking loans, it requires approval of state legislature. Central Council of Local Government are under Article 263 by order of President. Central Council of Local Government by order of President. Since 1958, it deals with matters of local government only. It consists of Minister of Urban Development and Minister of Local Self-Government in State. इसके चेयरमैन होते हैं यूनियन मिनिस्टर। म्युनिसिपल पर्सनल, सेपरेट पर्सनल सिस्टम, यूनिफाइड पर्सनल सिस्टम एंड इंटीग्रेटेड पर्सनल सिस्टम। यूनियन टेरिटरीज की बात करें तो आर्टिकल 1 के अंदर आते हैं स्टेट, यूटीज एंड टेरिटरीज दैट मे बी एक्वायर्ड, अभी तक 0 है। पोर्चुगीज से हमने लिया दमन एंड दीव, नागर हवेली। फ्रेंच से पौंडीचेरी। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ यूटीज इज बाय प्रेसिडेंट थ्रू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर और गवर्नर ऑफ अ स्टेट। अंडर आर्टिकल 293 टू आर्टिकल 241 पार्ट 8, Parliament can make laws on any subject of 3 lists. UTs can make laws on state lists except public order and police. Parliament can make laws on any subject of 3 lists. दिल्ली की बात करें, so 69th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1991, Assembly 70 members होते हैं who are directly elected. Laws of Parliament prevails over Assembly. दिल्ली के Council of Ministers 10% of total strength of Assembly. CM plus 6 Council of Ministers. Total 7 होते हैं CM and 6 Council of Ministers. Lieutenant Governor can promulgate ordinances with prior permission of President, and that must be approved by Legislative Assembly within 6 weeks. Lieutenant Governor cannot promulgate ordinance when Legislative Assembly is dissolved or suspended. याद रखें, यहाँ CM is appointed by President. CM is appointed by President, not Governor. Advisory Committee of UT, Ministry of Home Affairs is the nodal ministry. Advisory Committee under Home Minister for UTs without legislature. Advisory Committee under Home Minister, who is the chairperson. Administrative Advisory Committee under Administrator of UT. Scheduled and tribal areas की बात करें, so पहले बात करते हैं 5th schedule area की. So administration and control of scheduled area and scheduled tribe. Inhabited by aboriginals, socially and economically backward. Central government has the greater responsibility with respect to administration and control of scheduled area and scheduled tribe. Scheduled area and tribe are declared by President after consulting Governor. Tribal Advisory Council, 20 members होंगे present, 3/4 ST in State Legislative Assembly, also established in state. Tribal Advisory Council can also be established in state with ST population but no scheduled area. Was applicable to scheduled area as Governor directs regulation of peace and progress after consulting Tribal Advisory Council with President's assent. Schedule की बात करें, so administration of tribal areas मेनली नॉर्थ ईस्ट। आप ATM याद रखें, असम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम। ATMM। Deep roots with respect to culture, civilization. 6 scheduled tribal areas having deep roots with respect to culture, civilization, having anthropological specimens, given sizable autonomy for self-government. Tribal areas are given sizable autonomy, constituted as autonomous district under state. Governor can alter boundaries. Tribal areas each with district council or regional council having 30 members, 4 are nominated and 26 are elected. Nominated by governor, or 26 are elected for 5 years. Jurisdiction of High Court is specified by governor. Empowered to collect tax. District council can establish and manage school, roads, can make laws on few matters, but it requires governor's assent. District council can establish and manage school, roads, but it requires governor's assent. Governor can appoint council to examine and report and can dissolve district council and regional council on its recommendation. Governor can appoint a council to examine and report. He can also dissolve district council and regional council on its recommendation. So guys, हमने इन 3 पार्ट में लक्ष्मीकांत का चैप्टर 1 to चैप्टर 40 रिवाइज किया है। आगे के लिए ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू।